Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 24. What is the chemical formula of the compound containing 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 atoms of hydrogen, 35 grams of chlorine, and 4 oxygen atoms? Now looking at this, a compound containing 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 atoms of hydrogen. This number here is what we call the Avogadro's number. So it simply represents what? One atom of hydrogen. Now 35 gram of chlorine, 35 gram of chlorine simply represents an atom of chlorine, because this 35 gram is the relative molecular mass of chlorine, so it represents an atom of chlorine. Then plus 4 oxygen atoms, 4 oxygen atoms, that's O4. Now adding this together, we have HClO4. So this is the compound, and that is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.